Hey guys, Paolo here. Today we're back diving into something that I think hits a really nice sweet spot for a lot of tech savvy folks who want power, speed, and simplicity in one box. This is the UGREEN DXP480T NAS. And unlike your typical loud, clunky moving storage solution, this one is SSD only. Whisper quiet, super fast, and honestly, it just looks really clean on any setup. Now, if you saw my previous video on the UGREEN DXP480T, you already know that UGREEN is aiming to make NAS setups as beginner-friendly as possible without sacrificing power. This new model, the 480T, takes that even further by focusing specifically on solid-state drives only, which means it's faster, quieter, cooler, and ideal for creators, editors, or just about anyone who doesn't want a jet engine running in their studio. I've got it loaded up with 4 1TB Western Digital Red SSDs, and in a second I'll actually show you how easy it was to install them. So let's crack open the box and see what you actually get. Inside, you've got the UGREEN DXP480T unit itself, solid build, clean black aluminum casing, and super minimal branding, which I really appreciate. Underneath, you'll find the power brick and cable, a Cat7 network cable, and a quick start guide that walks you through the first time setup. Everything feels premium here, from the packaging to the unit itself. Honestly, it's a nice unboxing experience that sets the tone before you even power it on. One caveat I noticed was that they're advertising this as a Thunderbolt capable unit. I just wish that they included a couple of, or even just one Thunderbolt cable so that I can just connect directly towards my Mac and get it going. But the Cat7 is a nice inclusion anyway. However, Thunderbolt cables would be a very nice addition to the package. Now, let's pause for a sec while I walk you through how I installed the drives. Yep, it's literally that simple. Push, click, done, and the trays feel solid, not that cheap brittle plastic you get on lower end NAS units. This one really is a nice package overall, inside out. Now, design-wise, the 480T keeps things compact and minimalist. Black aluminum chassis, clean air vents, subtle indicator lights. It fits perfectly right next to my UGREEN 4800 Plus right here, and it looks really modern. It's also completely silent, which is a huge plus for me since I record voiceovers and edit videos in the same room sometimes when I move this NAS over next to my computer. Overall, I'm really impressed at this device so far. So if you're new to NAS, here's a quick breakdown. A NAS is basically your own private cloud server. You store all your files locally, movies, photos, backups, games, libraries, you name it, and access them from anywhere using your phone, tablet, or laptop anywhere around the world. Compared to something like iCloud or Google Drive, there's no monthly fee here. You bought the device, you own your data. You're in control of your own data, and if privacy or storage limits are a concern for you, this kind of solution makes a lot of sense. Now, let's talk performance because this little guy is no slouch. It's powered by a 12th gen Intel Celeron 5-core chip paired with SSD-only storage, and I've been seeing transfer speeds pushing 900 megabytes over 2.5G Ethernet. In my use, I've been storing all my 4K video project files, backups from my MacBook Pro, and even running a movie server straight off of this. I also use Apple's iCloud daily, and what's cool is that the UGREEN NASync interface feels like a local version of that experience. It's really clean, really fast, and it all works. UGREEN's NASync OS is probably the biggest reason I've enjoyed using their NAS system so far. It's beginner friendly but doesn't treat you like you don't know anything about networking. Some highlights about it is got AI photo management, which automatically sorts your photos based on people, pets, objects. I typed in dog and it pulled every photo I've taken of our family dog. Security manager, you get real-time alerts, access logs, and 2 certifications, TUV plus Trust E. Remote access, I can literally access this from my phone, my tablet, and even my computer when I am away from home. And the multi-user setup, if you want to set this up for a team, a household, or even a small business, it can handle multiple logins like a pro. So here's how I use the 480T in my workflow. My QNAP TS453A is my long-term archive solution. It's where I store years of footage that I might need once a year or that I want to check in every now and then. The UGREEN 480T though, that's my daily drive. My current YouTube projects, raw footage, motion templates, all of it lives on this NAS. It's fast enough to edit directly off of its Ethernet port, and it's silent enough that I don't even think about it when I'm working late at night. So who is the 480T for? If you've been waiting for a quiet SSD-only NAS that doesn't cost a fortune or require a PhD in Linux, this is it. It's reliable, it's sleek, and it's got a lot of horsepower for real workflows, especially with the speed you get with the NVMe SSD drives. I'll have the links down in the description below, including the SSDs I've used if you want to copy my setup. Oh, and as always, no money exchange hands here. UGREEN sent me this unit as a sort of promotion thing that's happening very soon on Amazon, so I highly recommend you check out the links below for those deals. Every opinion here is 100% my own. So, what do you think about the UGREEN NASync 480T or even the 4800 Plus? These two entries are such an awesome entry for the UGREEN brand into the world of NAS systems. Let me know what you think in the comments below, how you set up your NAS or what you're using right now for your backup, streaming, or content creation if you do that kind of stuff. If you like this video though, give it a thumbs up, maybe share it with someone building their first NAS setup, and don't forget to subscribe because I've got more gear coming your way very soon. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till next time, see ya.